Hi, I'm Rigel, a content lead at Squarespace. Black Friday and Cyber Monday is a huge moment for your business, whether you offer services, sell products, or both. And with Squarespace, you have everything you need to show up, stand out, and make it your most successful season yet. Let's get your site ready. Before you launch a seasonal promotion, make sure your site is set up to turn holiday traffic into sales. Start by adding any seasonal offerings, whether that's a limited time service, a holiday package, or a giftable bundle. AI can help make this easy. With the AI Product Composer, you simply upload a product photo or short description of your service, and it automatically generates a polished, on-brand listing that's optimized for SEO and ready to go live. This year, more and more shoppers are using AI platforms like ChatGPT to discover holiday deals, and you want your business to show up in AI-generated answers. The AI SEO tool can help you quickly scan your site and fill in any missing titles or descriptions to boost your visibility in search and AI results. Once your site is optimized and your seasonal products are set up, you can round out your holiday strategy with gift cards. Black Friday shoppers are looking for a deal, but that doesn't mean you need to offer a massive discount to get attention. What matters most is that your promo feels relevant, seasonal, and easy to say yes to. Think about what makes sense for your business. You could offer a small early bird discount, throw in a bonus add-on, or share a special code just for your email subscribers. Even a little incentive can go a long way. You can also bundle things up. Creating a themed bundle of services or pairing a product with an add-on is a great way to increase the value of each sale while making it feel more curated and special. Consider seasonal add-on services like gift wrapping or personalization. To encourage action, add a little urgency. Phrases like limited spots or only a few left really do help people commit. You can also set your offer to expire on a certain date or use a countdown banner to show time's running out. Not sure how to word a promo? Let AI help you write a first draft and then give it your personal touch. Sometimes the hardest part is just getting started. A well-timed, well-positioned offer goes a long way. Once your offer's live, it's time to spread the word, and email is still one of the most effective ways to do it. Start by reviewing your contact list. Clean up old or inactive subscribers, and group your audience into segments so you can send the right message to the right people. Then, build your campaign using seasonal email templates. They make it easy to design festive, eye-catching emails that feel totally on brand. You'll want to start early. Try sending a teaser a week or so before your promo begins, then follow up with a launch email and a final reminder before the deal ends. And to save time, use automations. You can trigger emails when someone books a service, submits a form, or pays an invoice so you stay connected without manually hitting send every time. Squarespace email campaigns makes all of this easy, and your first 3 campaigns are free. During the holiday rush, a smooth checkout experience makes all the difference. Squarespace Payments makes it easy for your customers to check out quickly and pay how they want. Make sure you're connected to Squarespace Payments and enable popular payment methods like Apple Pay, Google Pay, and Klarna so your customers can choose how to pay. If you offer personalized services or custom orders, use invoicing to send polished, professional invoices in just a few clicks. And if you're selling in person at holiday markets or pop-ups, you can use point of sale and tap to pay at the Squarespace app to take payments on the spot. From polished listings to powerful marketing tools and seamless payments, everything you need for Black Friday is already built into Squarespace. Start now so you can stress less and focus on delivering the kind of experience your clients will remember long after the holidays. And remember, you've got this.